The Butterfly IQ3 is a groundbreaking handheld ultrasound device that connects to smartphones, bringing hospital-grade imaging directly to the point of care. Its portability and AI-enhanced software enable doctors, paramedics, and healthcare workers to perform fast, accurate diagnostics anywhere from rural clinics to emergency sites. With one probe covering multiple scan types, it reduces cost and complexity while expanding access to quality healthcare. The IQ3 represents a major step toward democratizing medical imaging and saving lives through mobility and precision. Carve is an AI-powered digital ski coach that transforms the way athletes train on the slopes. Using ultra-thin smart inserts placed inside ski boots, it analyzes pressure, balance, and movement in real time, delivering instant audio feedback via a mobile app. This allows skiers, from beginners to professionals, to refine technique on the spot. By combining biomechanics with data science, Carve offers personalized training insights and measurable progress. It's the future of ski coaching, accessible, data-driven, and designed for performance optimization. Causal chambers represent a breakthrough in experimental research, providing a controlled environment for testing hypotheses with greater precision. These systems allow scientists to isolate specific variables and observe causal effects, significantly improving the reliability of experimental results. With applications ranging from psychology to advanced machine learning, causal chambers are reshaping how researchers validate theories. Their design enhances reproducibility and reduces error, offering a powerful tool for innovation in scientific exploration and data-driven decision-making. MIT's tiny hopping robots are micro-engineering marvels designed for exploration in challenging terrains where wheels or drones cannot operate effectively. These lightweight robots use elastic energy to leap across surfaces, making them ideal for planetary exploration, disaster zones, or inspection tasks. Despite their size, they carry impressive sensors and can work collaboratively in swarms. Their agility and adaptability showcase the future of robotics: small, efficient, and capable of tackling environments too risky or inaccessible for humans. The Flyability Helios is a collision-tolerant drone engineered for inspections in hazardous or confined environments. Encased in a protective cage, it can safely navigate obstacles while capturing high-definition visuals. Industries such as oil and gas, mining, and power generation use Helios to reduce downtime and eliminate human risk in dangerous inspections. Its durability and advanced stabilization make it invaluable for reaching places humans cannot. The Helios redefines safety and efficiency in industrial inspections, proving drones can save time, money, and lives. The LG Cinebeam S is a compact, portable projector that delivers cinema-quality visuals in any environment. With crisp 4 Kelvins resolution, smart connectivity, and a sleek design, it turns living rooms, outdoor spaces, or even business meetings into immersive viewing experiences. Its wireless features and voice control integrate seamlessly with modern lifestyles, while its brightness ensures clear images even in well-lit rooms. Cinebeam S embodies LG's vision of versatile entertainment technology, blending portability, elegance, and cutting-edge performance in one device. Microtugs are tiny robots capable of moving objects up to 2,000 times their own weight, inspired by the strength of ants. Developed for industrial and research use, these miniature machines leverage adhesives and mechanical innovation to exert extraordinary force relative to their size. Their applications range from micromanufacturing to search and rescue robotics. Microtugs highlight how scaling down technology can unlock massive efficiency and strength, setting new benchmarks in robotics for heavy-duty performance on a miniature scale. The C-Star S30 Smart Telescope makes astronomy more accessible with its automated setup and app-based controls. Designed for beginners and enthusiasts alike, it uses advanced sensors and AI to identify celestial objects quickly, offering live views directly on smartphones or tablets. Compact and lightweight, It removes the complexity of traditional telescopes, allowing anyone to explore the night sky effortlessly. The C-Star S30 combines precision optics with intuitive technology, opening the wonders of space to a wider audience. The UltraArm P340 is a compact robotic arm designed for education, research, and prototyping. With precise motion control, multiple axis flexibility, and programmable functions, it enables users to simulate industrial automation in a small-scale environment. Its versatility makes it ideal for robotics labs, makerspaces, and engineering projects. By offering a hands-on learning tool that mirrors real-world robotics applications, the P340 helps prepare future innovators for careers in advanced manufacturing and automation. The micro-sized camera represents a revolution in imaging technology, delivering high-resolution visuals from a device no larger than a grain of salt. Used in medical endoscopy, security, and research, these cameras provide unmatched access to tight or hidden spaces. Despite its size, it captures clear images, enabling doctors and engineers to diagnose, explore, or monitor with precision. This technology demonstrates how miniaturization can redefine the boundaries of imaging and open new frontiers in science and healthcare. The 2PAN Nano SSD is an ultra-compact solid-state drive that combines portability with lightning-fast data transfer speeds. Designed for professionals who handle large files, such as video editors and photographers, it delivers high storage capacity in a pocket-sized form. With robust durability and advanced encryption, it ensures data security even in rugged conditions. The 2PAN Nano SSD exemplifies modern storage innovation balancing speed, reliability, and portability to meet the growing demands of today's digital lifestyle. Foams, or functional origami adaptive materials, are cutting-edge materials engineered to change shape and function under different conditions. Inspired by origami principles, they can fold, expand, or contract, making them useful in aerospace, robotics, and medical devices. These materials combine flexibility with structural strength, enabling dynamic adaptability in real-world applications. By merging art and science, foams represent the future of smart materials, capable of transforming industries with designs that evolve in response to their environment. Nissan's latest engine innovations focus on blending efficiency, performance, and sustainability. With advanced combustion systems, lightweight construction, and hybrid-ready platforms, these engines deliver power while reducing emissions. Nissan continues to push boundaries with technologies such as variable compression and electrification integration, ensuring vehicles are both eco-friendly and performance-driven. The brand's engineering excellence underscores its commitment to cleaner mobility without sacrificing driving pleasure, reinforcing Nissan's position as a global leader in automotive innovation. Perovskite solar cells are transforming renewable energy with their high efficiency and low-cost production potential. Unlike traditional silicon panels, they can be lightweight, flexible, and manufactured at scale. Researchers are achieving record-breaking efficiency rates, making them one of the most promising solutions for sustainable energy. Their adaptability allows integration into buildings, vehicles, and portable devices. Perovskite cells represent a leap forward in green technology, promising to accelerate the global transition to affordable, accessible, and clean energy. The Sony ASDT-1 is a next-generation audio system designed for audiophiles seeking precision and clarity. Combining advanced digital signal processing with high-resolution playback, it delivers immersive sound quality across all frequencies. Its sleek design and intuitive controls align with modern aesthetics, while its connectivity ensures seamless integration with various devices. Built with Sony's legacy of innovation, the ASDT-1 redefines audio excellence, offering professional-grade performance for both casual listeners and sound professionals alike. The X2 Sport Underwater Jetpack revolutionizes diving by giving swimmers propulsion and agility beneath the surface. Worn like a harness, it uses twin thrusters to push divers forward with speed and control. reducing physical strain while enhancing exploration. Ideal for recreational diving, underwater filming, and marine research. It opens up new possibilities in aquatic mobility. The X2 Sport embodies the future of personal marine technology, fast, efficient, and designed for adventure. The jet-powered scooter is an experimental blend of urban mobility and aerospace-inspired engineering. Unlike conventional electric scooters, it uses jet propulsion to achieve thrilling acceleration and high speeds. While primarily a prototype, it demonstrates how unconventional power systems can reshape personal transportation. Designed for adrenaline enthusiasts and tech innovators, it challenges the limits of scooter performance, showcasing a bold vision of futuristic commuting where speed meets compact design. E-wings are innovative electric wearable wings designed to assist movement and enhance human mobility. Using lightweight motors and aerodynamic design, they provide lift and improved balance, potentially aiding sports, recreation, or even rehabilitation. This futuristic concept blends biomechanics with electric propulsion, pointing toward a future where personal flight assistance could become reality. E-wings symbolize the creative fusion of technology and human aspiration, expanding possibilities for movement in ways once thought impossible. The F1 Rocket Air is an inflatable wingfoil board designed for water sports enthusiasts seeking performance and portability. Lightweight and easy to transport, it can be inflated quickly while maintaining rigidity for stable rides. Ideal for both beginners and advanced riders, it delivers versatility across surf, foil, and kiteboarding. Its compact design allows travel without the bulk of traditional boards, making it a breakthrough in water sport gear innovation. The Razor DXT Drift Trike takes the classic tricycle design and transforms it into a high-adrenaline drifting machine. Equipped with a sturdy steel frame, BMX-style handlebars, and slick rear wheels, it enables riders to perform controlled drifts and slides. Designed for downhill fun, it merges stability with excitement, appealing to thrill-seekers of all ages. The DXT Drift Trike reimagines childhood play with professional durability, delivering an unforgettable riding experience on slopes and open tracks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.